That's for sure a mile. Whoa! The one in Haram! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at the velocity! That might be 300. Bro, a 302 miler. Yeah, that's a mile. That might be a mile. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, this could be my first 1 mile wide tornado in like a year.
Oh my gosh, I'm announcing it, everyone. Go, everyone, go. Go, everyone, go. Everyone shift the directions towards funny.
Look at everyone saying holy. Everyone's noticing it. Holy shit. What is happening? The hook is still expanding.
Roll out.
Bro, I haven't seen a tornado this big in so long, dude. This is a thumbnail. That's for sure a mile.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, I'm shaking. I'm speechless. So big yet so weak. I'ma hope this thing just grows and gets stronger. Yeah, my 2 mile wide tornado. Yeah, I think it might be weakening and shrinking.
Oh my god.
Hopefully it has a secondary spike. Or it can recycle. One of them two. Bro, and I was literally just making fun of this server for not having any mile wide tornadoes.
You just summoned a tornado.
I just summoned a 1 mile wide. I'm gonna be careful here. I think you just went past me. Yeah, you did. 12.08 mile wide. Oh yeah, that was an official record during the infinite high risk. I forgot about that.
A 12-mile wide?
Yeah, it was off the map, but it was like someone spotted like a big wind field and it turned out to be 12 miles.
Oh, like a huge wind field, like outside the map. Like they're driving like on the edge of the map. They just. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't even see it. Dude, I'm like next to it. I can't even see it at all.
Someone said it's green. I think it might be weakening.
I don't care if it's like strong, as long as it's like huge. That's all I care about.
The most I can hope for at this rate is just to hope it recycles.
Bro, what if it turns to pink TBS? I see it.
I'm hoping that happens.
Yeah, look at the other one. It's great. Dude, I'm not, bro. On my life, bro, it's so dark. I'm not even joking. It's so dark. It's pitch black.
It's growing again.
Wait, really?
It's kind of growing a bit. It was for like a little bit. Now it's staying where it's at. It's just been staying at yellow and green. Is it heading right for Hibbing? It is heading. Bro, I'm getting like a little bit of wind effects from Hibbing. A little bit. Orange TVS, dude. If this thing has a secondary spike, you're cooked, buddy.
Why is there someone chasing that one? It's one
Dude,
dude.
there's barely anyone chasing this one.
No, everyone's all spread out. I think this one's big, so everyone's like spreading out.
I want to see what this thing peaked at.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting 21 speeds. Turn back, turn back, turn back.
You're fine. It's green TVS. This thing is like pretty much about a lift.
Is it still barrel?
It's still barrel shaped.
Dude, you think we're gonna get another one like this?
I hope so. If we just like don't go outside We'll probably see one.
Shifting.
Orange too. It is shrinking.
It should have towards me. Oh, it should have towards me.
What if this will... Bro, I thought... Bro, the old one died, and I thought that was a new tornado, and it was like growing into another barrel. It freaking scared me. If this thing recycles, and I see it's bigger... What? If it recycles, I'm freaking out. I'm surprised how this thing hasn't died yet. It's just been staying at green and yellow. It is growing a little bit. It's just been shrinking and growing. I think it might be dying now. Yeah, that's about to die. It's being consistent green. Yeah, it lifted. Perhaps it can recycle. Please. This will be great content.
Wait, dude, I was actually inside of it.
Brother. How did you not know that? Yeah. Bro, my radar is so No, I think I'm looking at you. Yeah, I am.
Oh, shoot.
It shifted like right towards me.
Go. Shoot. Wait, I'm looking at my screenshot.
Oh my god, it's just rapidly shrinking. It's glitching.
Whoa, that rainfall just got crazy. Oh my dude, look at the other one. Look at the one that's near look at that one.
Bro.
Dude, it's so big.
Oh my god, I recycle? It is big.
Yo, no, this one's red TVS.
Oh my god, it's a wedge too.
What?
Oh, it's...
Dude, bro, the screenshot sent you. Wait, look at it. It's growing.
It is.
Oh my god.
No, but the warning disappeared. What happened? It recycled. Oh my god. Let's go. And it grew bigger. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so shocked. We have 2 wedges on the ground. I know.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. No. Don't eat me. You're like busy or something. And like I told you there was
Bro! The one in Haram! Look at it! It's barreling! What is happening? Is it grow? Oh my god! What is... It's expanding! It's all... I'm getting Winfield! What's happening? I'm so... Oh my god! I'm getting server lag. I can't place my probe.
I'm fighting.
Bro!
I'm fighting. No.
I'm getting 60s where I'm at. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. I'm getting 100s where I'm at. Oh my god! Look at the velocity! Look at that! Oh my god!
Oh my god. Help me.
What is going on? Bro! Holy shit, what's happening? Bro, Funkly is gonna be gone. This is probably 2 miles. This might be 2 miles wide. Oh my god.
I'm getting wind effect from April.
I'm getting actually?
Yeah.
I'm actually gonna die. Yeah, I'm getting sucked in where I'm at. I'm getting sucked in from Trent. I gotta get out of here quick. What? Try to rocket probe this.
Wait, yeah.
I'm getting pulled in. I'm gone. Oh my god. I'm actually gonna die.
Wait, they've been on. You have the velocity for the on.
Holy shit.
Like the flying.
There's 2 black. I'm trying to outrun this thing. Bro.
My god.
This is no doubt a mile. I think I'm inside the tornado. I'm not sure.
What's it on me? I'm dying. I'm dying.
You're dying? Yeah, I'm getting 80s from where I'm at. I'm getting 80s in Hazleton. This has to be the widest tornado I've ever seen. It's still expanding, dude. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm literally trying to escape this. I'm trying to get a visual on this tornado. There's 4 black pixels.
Where am I at?
Oh my god. Bro, I'm getting oh my god. I'm so speechless. Bro, I'm literally escaping this tornado. Bro, I thought that was the old tornado until I realized what was going on.
You can't see it.
It's so big.
Oh my god, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Bro, look at this.
Look at my screen. No, look at my screen.
Oh. Oh. Yo. What is going on? Bro, I'm still getting its wind field from where I'm at. And I'm in Elmora. Dude.
It's not dying at all.
I'm bringing out my Dominator.
Wait. Wait, how are we? Wait, shoot a rocket. Shoot a rocket.
At this point, I feel safer in my Dominator. What?
Are people still alive?
Oh my god, I don't know. I was getting pulled in from miles. This is my first ever mile-wide tornado in so long. Alright, I'm shooting a probe into it. Alright, let's see what I get.
Don't hop on your cars then. Yeah, don't hop on your car.
Dude, I can't rocket probe this.
I can't.
I'm so far away from it, and if I go any closer, I'm dead. Oh, it's pretty weak anyway, but I mean, like, what the f? What is this? This is the tornado of the century.
Wait, is this one bigger than the one that you had?
It might be. Dude, look at this.
You have a clear shot.
I'm in Elmora, dude. This is some of the craziest things. Bro, this is literally the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life in playing this game. Dude, its multi-vortex tornadoes are so big.
Wait, tornado to northeast just barreled too.
Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. It barreled. It was a barrel, now it's pretty weak. Bro! That might be 300! What is going... It's not 300. I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Merging.
Look at the old one. It has 2 blacks and 3 whites. That might be 300. The one that's like oh my god. Bro! 3 blacks!
No, it's shrinking.
I don't care about that. We might have a 300.
Oh my gosh, look at the hitting radar. I'm not even joking. Look at the hitting radar. These Funkley's about to get wiped out.
It probably is. It probably is.
Wait, you can't even get close anymore? Like, you can't even go to Funkley.
I probably can, but I'm not taking that risk. Yeah, that tornado's about to die. I need to see the path of this.
You can't see anything. It's
Yeah.
pink. It's pink.
It's pink again?
It's pink.
Dude, I just watched that thing rapidly grow. We just had a 300 and a possible 2 miler. I think it's expanding again. Yep. Yes, it is.
Yeah,
The wind field is expanding again. It's re-intensifying. Dude, I'm getting 70s. Yeah, I think this thing is re-intensifying. This is going in my top 5 tornado of the year. Yeah. The fact that this tornado is still going is insane.
it might. You never know. It might recycle again.
Yeah, it's green TVS now. We'll see if this recycle.
Dude, it's the thing.
If it recycles a 3rd time, there's no doubt in my mind that this is a 2 mile wide. Bro, I find it so funny how I was making fun of this server for having no 1 milers. The next tornado later, there's like 2 1 milers. Oh yeah, the rain is starting to clear up. The rain is clearing up. I think it died. Yeah, it died. Alright, it's dead. I'm going far away from this thing as possible just in case this thing does recycle again.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Me too, bro. You better get out of there as fast as you can.
One pink TVS 20.
Someone said it's 5 miles. I'm in Hazleton. I'm scared. Bro, you're gonna die.
Dude, if this thing switches, dude, if I see like yellow, like if I see orange TVS, that's bad.
Someone's getting 200 on this tornado emergency one. Bro, I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm in Hazleton. I'm getting as far away from this thing as possible. If this thing recycles, I'm dead from here. What if it was 4 miles wide?
Dude, scan why? Yeah.
Wait on, I'm gonna check the twisted chat.
Dude, scan, bro. Dude, scan is why.
Someone got 8.2 miles in this game before. My widest was 2.32. If this was actually 4.95, the server better not crash before I get to know this. But that's 3 people saying 4.95, so I don't know. Okay, so it's been a couple hours since the mile-wide tornado happened. Oh my god, what the f***? These are the type of players you do not want to see in Twisted. But anyway, so the tornado tracks came out because the reason why we haven't looked at the tornado tracks earlier is because I had a glitch, and it can only show me like the 10 tornadoes in the past rather than now. So I don't know if that made sense, but I don't know. It's been a few hours. I'm able to see them now, so let's take a look. So I'm assuming this one was this was the first tornado that we saw that was a barrel. It was much bigger than I thought. I thought it was just going to be a mile wide, but it ended up being 2.29 miles wide, which is the 2nd largest tornado I've ever seen. As you guys may have known, I made a video about it. I had a 2.32 mile wide tornado that hit Haram over there. But the crazy part is that this tornado recycled, and the people weren't lying. This tornado did grow to 4.95 miles wide. If you go to that tornado right now, this is the track. Obviously, a very big tornado. And if we go over here, they weren't lying. It was 4.95 miles wide. It was almost a 5-mile wide tornado. But it was crazy because this tornado, I was getting its winds all the way in Elmora, which is extremely crazy. And this is the widest tornado I've ever seen on this game. This was a really crazy tornado. It recycled. I hear my friend freaking out, and I thought it was just the other tornado that formed, just having a big wind field. But when he was freaking out, I realized that this tornado rapidly turning into a 4.95 mile wide tornado. So as of right now, this is the widest tornado I've ever seen on Twisted, and probably will stay like that maybe forever. We also got this tornado that had over 5 to 6 black pixels, which probably, this tornado was probably likely over 270 to maybe 300 miles per hour, which is insane. This was a crazy chase. So yeah, this was a pretty crazy video. This is easily going to my top 5 of the year. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys did. That was a crazy one. And I'll see you guys in the next video.